Today for lunch, I feel like eating a taco. But where can I find tacos? Let's see.
You're watching Teacher T Kids English TV.
Hello, boys and girls. In this episode, we will be learning all about food from around the world. Part 1. Are you ready? Then let's go. The USA, hamburger. Canada, poutine. Mexico, taco. Argentina, asado. Italy, pasta. France, croissant. The UK, fish and chips. Germany, pretzel. Spain, paella. Georgia, khachapuri. Wow! Great job, kids! All of those foods are making Teacher T hungry. I think it's time for me to run off and find my tacos. Bye-bye, kids. Remember to tune in to our next episode to find out more about foods from around the world, part 2. Bye-bye.